Welcome to Healthy Life. Today we're diving into the essentials of nutrition and diet, key components to leading a healthy and vibrant lifestyle. Healthy eating habits are the foundation of a balanced lifestyle. This means focusing on whole foods like fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-dense foods provide the vitamins and minerals our bodies need to function at their best. A balanced meal includes a variety of food groups on your plate: proteins, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Think of meals as a rainbow. Aim for a colorful plate to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Remember, portion control is just as important as the quality of the food. Sometimes, even with a well-balanced diet, it can be challenging to meet all your nutritional needs. That's where dietary supplements come in. Multivitamins, omega-3s, or specific supplements like vitamin D or B12 for those on plant-based diets can help fill the gaps. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any supplement. There are many dietary approaches, each with its own health benefits. Vegan and vegetarian diets focus on plant-based foods rich in fiber and antioxidants. These diets can support heart health and reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. On the other hand, the paleo diet emphasizes whole, unprocessed foods, such as lean meats, fish, fruits, and vegetables. It's designed to mimic the diet of our ancestors and can help with weight management and blood sugar control. Remember, nutrition is personal. What works for one person might not work for another. The key is to find a diet that aligns with your health goals, lifestyle, and preferences. Whether you're following a specific plan like vegan or paleo, or simply focusing on balanced meals, make sure to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these tips on nutrition and diet helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Life